Tonight is the night Senate Republicans have been waiting for, the final confirmation vote for Judge Amy Coney Barrett to be the next Associate Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court. But it is not coming without a fight. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales reports now. Erik?
Well, Tracy, here on Capitol Hill, the debate rages on as it did throughout most of the night. Now, senators yesterday gave themselves a 30-hour time limit before taking a final vote, and Democrats used majority of that time speaking out against Amy Coney Barrett. But come tonight, a final vote will take place.
The yeas are 51, the nays are 48.
Sunday, the Senate kicked off the final hours of debate on the nomination of Judge Amy Coney Barrett.
The Republican Party is willing to ignore the pandemic to rush this Supreme Court nomination forward.
Democrats claim Justice Barrett would vote to eliminate the Affordable Care Act, despite her own words.
I, as a judge, have an obligation to respect and enforce only that law that the people themselves have embraced. As I was saying earlier, it's not the law of Amy, it's the law of the American people.
And Democrats criticize the Catholic judge's pro-life views.
Dozens of abortion rights cases are headed towards the Supreme Court as we speak. The stakes could not be higher for women's health than they are right now with this nomination.
Despite Judge Barrett's pledge, she will not legislate from the bench.
I think originalism and textualism, to me, boil down to that, to a commitment to the rule of law.
Two GOP senators had joined with all Senate Democrats to oppose the confirmation. Senator Susan Collins said yesterday, quote, "I will vote against the nomination of Judge Amy Coney Barrett. My vote does not reflect any conclusion that I have reached about Judge Barrett's qualifications. I do not think it is fair nor consistent to have a Senate confirmation vote prior to the election." But in a surprise twist, the other Republican holdout, Alaska Senator Lisa Murkowski, announced,
"The only way to put us back on the path of appropriate consideration of judicial nominees is to evaluate Judge Barrett as we would want to be judged, on the merits of her qualifications. I will be a yes."
As of tonight, we are hearing that Vice President Mike Pence will be presiding over the vote, and he has every right to do so despite 5 of his aides coming down with COVID-19 over the weekend. Now, Democrats didn't want him inside of the Senate chambers, and we're also hearing from a senior White House official that Justice Clarence Thomas will be giving her the oath of office as soon as she is given the okay and given the vote. Tracy?
Okay, thank you so much, Erik. Correspondent Erik Rosales reporting from Capitol Hill tonight.